Kaizen Sensei here, coming to you with a whiteboard, and we're going to be talking about this strategic plan that I have talked to some of you people on the phone with. Okay, so strategic plan in my Lean Six Sigma world, because I am the Kaizen Sensei, is Hoshin Kanri. Okay, Hoshin Kanri basically is a strategic plan. It's a written document, like a business plan. It's a written document that I put together. Okay, to help you, help you develop some sort of a strategy. That's why we call it a strategic plan, to get you through this crisis we're going through, right? We are in the midst of a coronavirus crisis, this big gigantic storm where we are back, as a lot of us are still at that batten down the hatches, right? Batten down and hunkering down. Hopefully when the storm passes, we can go through this recovery phase and then get back on track. But some of us are just going through this pay-as-you-go thing. I mean, let's just figure out, let's just see what we can do on a day-by-day basis, and then once it settles, we can, okay. Well, this is something different. This is where we actually have a plan, all right? And so this plan is something that achieves a purpose, and that purpose is for you and your company to get through this thing and then to thrive. Okay, the big key word is thrive. Okay, so it's a three-step process. Okay, first is that we determine what the current state is. Where are you at? So that's where I call, we talk about it on the phone, or when I meet with you personally, and I gather facts and data. Okay, try to figure out where you are at currently. What are the cause and effect? That's called the pre-assessment, and the discovery phase, where we really key on something called the problem statements or pain points. Okay, get those problem statements and then prioritize them. Then we look into the future. Okay, sometimes we want to know where you want to be at 30 days, 60 days, 90 days to a year, or maybe that could be just one gigantic date, 1, 5, 10 years from now. Okay. But right now, let's just, for argument's sake, we're going to be looking at what's going to happen in 30 days, what's going to happen in 60 days, and what's going to happen in 90 days. And in those days, whatever those dates are, you want to go ahead and declare some goals. Now, those goals could be financial, could be production, could be new releases on products or services, or it can be building new construction or buying new equipment. Okay, but I will probably guarantee that first 30 days is going to be looking at what you're going to be doing to recover from this big gigantic coronavirus storm that has affected you. Okay, and so once we put that on your document, this is where you want to be. Then we start to reverse engineer the process. Okay, reverse engineer, put it on a Gantt chart that you will be hitting certain milestones, doing those things. There'll be a cost associated with it, so that you will make sure that you don't get yourself into this thing called requirement or scope creep. Okay, a lot of this stuff is all covered in this actual very simple document. Now, once you have this document, which is cool, then you can agree, you can disagree, or you can ask if you can change it. This is a living document. This is something that is really, really good for you managers and owners, so that you can make your company whole, not only whole, but it can, again, use the word thrive. We can thrive in adversity. I'm here to help you. That's what I'm here, the Kaizen Sensei, which means good change. I'm going to affect good change for you. All right? Listen, I hope you will like what you see. But in the meantime, please be safe, be healthy, and be well.